Hello friends, welcome. And today's video is going to be very exciting. Okay, so that's my dashboard. That's my stock market dashboard that I use on a daily basis, where you can see that one look I know what's going on with my positions, with my symbols, with my stocks, with my underlying, right? And then this makes it very easy to take decisions. So before I show you this and tell you details about this, let me show you what are the challenges a common trader faces, a common man faces, and how this dashboard solves it. So now, when we go into the markets to do stock market trading, option trading on a daily basis, we have to set ourselves up for profits. Now, what does this mean? This means that you really need to prepare, because preparation meets opportunity is how success is created. So normally what a trader does is he will log in to his Think or Swim account like so. Where's my Think or Swim? Think or Swim, okay, like that. And then he will start searching here. Probably he has some watch list, okay, watch list where he'll see the stock prices. He will add stocks here, but there's a huge problem here. You cannot see a lot of data that you need to know to ensure what stock you're going to buy today or what trade you're going to play today. So you cannot see all of that information in this kind of setup. Okay, so normally we monitor a limited number of stocks, a limited number of industries. We create some watch list here like so. I have created all these, and then from there we go and make our decisions, and this results in poor trading, right? Why poor trading? Because we do not have the full picture. So let me show you how we can prepare ourselves to profit daily. Now, how do we monitor our stocks? Here are the challenges. There are just too many variables for a everyday trader, a common man like you and me. We cannot afford expensive software. We cannot afford monthly fees, or we do not intend to pay $100 to somebody every month, pay 100 USD just to use the software to give me a dashboard and tell me things, right? So the prices keep changing continuously. You need to monitor things like 52-week high and low prices, so you know that if it was 200 high and 100 low, and now this is at 50, this is fabulous price to buy. But if it is 190 right now and the 52-week high was 200, then this is not a great time to buy, right? So just knowing this in front of you will already tell you whether you should look at this stock today or no, right? You need to look at the charts of different durations very quickly. And like you, if you have been doing trading, then you will know that all these things take quite some time, right? And then the more time you spend looking at all these statistics, you are losing opportunity, right? I don't need to tell you that, you already know. So I'll show you a solution for all this. So the dashboard is a solution. So you need to see some technical details, the technical analysis, what is the RSI, what is the MACD doing and stuff like this. You also need to make price comparisons, okay, between different stocks, plan your strategy, look at some option prices. So the first thing is, what stock will I buy today? What position will I take today? Why will I take this position, right? So I'm trying to address this problem. Once we know what stock today, what are the stocks out of my 50 good stocks that I like, 100 good stocks that I like, which stock should I work on today? If I know this within 10 minutes, then I'm straight into my trading, right? So you also need to monitor different industry domains. So you can look at cannabis stocks, you can look at healthcare stocks, you can look at tech stocks. So there are different industries to monitor, right? So all of this adds to a problem. Now all of this is very hard to manage manually, like many traders do, right? So it's too many things to track. And how do you track so many things for so many stocks? Definitely we miss opportunities, and we don't even know a lot of times what opportunities came up today. Keeping track of different industry verticals becomes a nightmare. Now I have personally experienced this for more than 12 long years and struggled for 12 years to come up with a solution. I'm going to share my solution with you today, right? You may not even know what stocks to keep track of because you may not even have a proper watch list for a given industry domain, right? Now, this is what will be good. If somebody does all of this work for us and gives us all of these details in an Excel sheet, right? Now that will be brilliant. So somebody gives us a list of stocks in different verticals. Somebody shows you all the variables to track in a single place. A software pulls prices every minute and updates automatically. You can add new stock tickers and it will pull all of this market data automatically for you. And it also gives you technicals in the Excel sheet. Basically, just do everything for me right now. This is what I've done. Let us go back to our dashboard Excel sheet and show you more from there. Voila, this is the Excel sheet that I've created, and it's a Google sheet. Now, why Google sheet? Because if you create an Excel sheet, then you cannot access it everywhere. You need to back it up, you need to save. If it's a Google sheet, then it directly connects with your Gmail account and you can directly see the Google sheet and you can update it anywhere in your office, at your home, on your mobile device, and you can always have access to it. And it's auto saved in cloud. You never need to take a backup. You don't lose your hard work and data. It always remains, right? Okay guys, now here's the fantastic part. Yeah, so let's continue looking at this, and I'll scroll. So you have the name of the you have the symbol, the ticker symbol, you have the name of the company, you have the stock price today, what's the beta of this company, what's the market capitalization of this company, the P ratio, the change in price today, and the percent change in price today, all automatically calculated for you. All right. The next upcoming the earning date. Okay, so this is the last earning date that's passed. Now I refresh this, so I'll get the next earning date. 1 day chart, 30 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, last 1 year. So look at this. This directly tells you that in last 30 days AMD is falling. All right, and the last 90 days it has actually gone up. So this presents to you a buying opportunity straight off, right? If you look at the 52-week high, it's 59, low is 27. So it's falling from its 52-week high. It may or may not be a good time to buy AMD, but these quick charts show you things straight off, right? At the same time, if I scroll down and if I look at Alibaba, right, you can see that Alibaba is shooting up in last 30 days. It has also shot up in the last 1 year. It had a fall and then it's on its way up. In the last 90 days it has been up, and 30 days is fantastic, right? Whereas Abbott is falling in last 30 days. So these very quickly, along with the 52-week high and low, tell you whether now is the right time to buy or work on this stock. All right, let's go further. So I'll scroll further, and you can see this is the 90 days volume. So volume is a very important parameter for traders, and this shows you straight off what's the volume in the last 90 days. Okay, so you get a good indication of what's going on. This is the volume in millions, average volume, and this is interesting. Okay, I like to put this here because it helps me make trading decisions. So it's 11% down from the last 52-week high, right? And yeah, I have put tooltips here so you can actually see what it means. Yeah, so you have 52-week, it's 92% higher from its last 52-week low. So whatever was the price, the lowest price in the last 52 weeks is 92% higher. So that doesn't make it attractive, but this is straight off the bat attractive because it's in the middle of the 52-week high and the low, right? So that's what it shows. Now let me continue further. So it shows you dividend on the stock, dividend percentage on the stock, profit in last 1 week, in last 1 month, in last quarter, in half a year, in 1 year, and year to date, right? So that shows you now we're in the technicals, right? So these are technicals of the company, and it shows you good stuff for to take decision on whether you should invest on this company right now or not. Okay, so moving further, I have then brought in other technical and fundamental analysis parameters that help us take a decision, right? What has been the income of this company? What is the sales, the book per share value, cash per share value, sales on quarter, all right, and then also the moving average for last 200 days, 20 days, 50 days, RSI, and stuff like that. So we all know that if the RSI is above 70, 80, then it's overbought like these. If the RSI is near its 20s, then it's low. All right, now let me show you the last part here, which is very interesting. How do you add a new stock? So all you have to do is add a ticker. Okay, so I'm going to add Amazon ticker here and press enter, right? Once I do that, it'll actually pull all the parameters of Amazon automatically, right? I can do the same for Nvidia. I just enter the symbol and it will pull all the relevant company information for me. Look at that, guys. Look at that. How powerful is this, right? And it automatically brings all the details for you and populates this sheet. And not only that, it even shows you the EPS for next year, for next quarter. So you really know about this company, right? That what's the earnings per share for next year projected, for next quarter projected, what's the debt per equity ratio, expense ratio, sales in past 5 years, everything. Okay, everything that we need as stock traders for us to take decision, and each of this detail is automatically pulled in and refreshed every minute. So all of this is updating every minute, okay, without you even needing to refresh it. This does it. I have configured everything, and look here, I have different verticals already for you. So I already have semiconductors and all the companies. You may not even have heard of these companies, right? So this gives you a chance to then go and study. So I have already added tickers for you, created the watch list. These are retail, these are pharma, banks, tech, fintech, FNB, growth stocks, cannabis stocks, travel, leisure, infra, oil and gas, China, metals, property stocks, everything. I have actually pulled in a lot of work. I have actually already done a lot of work to create this and to program this entire sheet, to pull all this information from different sources, so that one look at it I can manage this Excel sheet. All right, so this is how we will be able to be profitable in the stock market if we have everything ready, already done for us, the verticals chosen, the stocks in those verticals populated. You can just add a ticker name and it automatically pulls in all the details. It's a Google sheet, so I will just share this with you. You don't need to do anything, right? And this really saves you a lot of effort and time, right? Now I'm going to give this sheet for a very cheap price. Okay, I have sold this sheet for $299 US to many people, and they have enjoyed it. It's brilliant, it works straight out of the box, and it really makes their life very easy. So guys, just $99 US, and you will have the sheet, and I'll send it to your email. You just have to click the link below, send me an email, tell me you need it, and I'll send you the link to pay me, and I'll share the sheet with you. bingo, you are in business, right? So I hope you like this video, you like the sheet that I've created, the dashboard, and that it has everything, all the formulas are done. It automatically populates data once you put ticker symbol, and automatically updates, guys. Imagine the power. Every minute he automatically pulls all of this data and gives you updated sheet without you need to do anything, right? So if you're a trader, you will understand the value of this. 99 USD, one time payment, lifetime access, right? So I really hope my work will help you for your lifetime, for you to become a profitable, successful trader. Good luck to you guys.